Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Amir Hair 8-pack French curly braiding hair. If you're looking for synthetic hair that delivers versatility and style, this one might just catch your attention. First up, let's talk about what makes this braiding hair stand out. It comes in packs of 8, pre-stretched to make your installation smoother and your styles longer lasting. Whether you're into French braids, curly braids, spiral braids, or even wavy looks, this hair promises to be a great canvas for those styles. The pre-stretched fibers are designed to reduce the effort needed to prep the hair before braiding, which is a huge plus if you want to save time. This product is made of high-temperature kaolin synthetic fiber, which means it can handle some heat styling, but you still want to be careful not to damage it. The texture offers a loose wave with a bouncy, curly finish, adding a natural, voluminous feel to your protective hairstyles. You'll find this braiding hair in a range of lengths, with the 26-inch option being popular for those who want longer, more dramatic styles. The color 1B, which is a natural black shade, suits a wide variety of skin tones and looks natural once installed. One of the highlights is how braid-friendly these extensions are. The texture is soft and manageable, designed specifically for braiding. The hair separates easily at the gold line, making it simple to divide into bundles without tangling. Plus, the package comes with a handy spray bottle, which you can fill with water or scalp oil to keep the hair hydrated and reduce knots. When styling, it's recommended to use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to detangle gently, as synthetic hair can be prone to static. This will help maintain the curls and waves, keeping your style fresh for longer. Packaging-wise, the hair comes neatly packed and weighs about 1.4 pounds. It's convenient to store and easy to carry if you're traveling or attending a styling session. This braiding hair is perfect if you want a protective style that looks full and lively. Its curly texture brings a bounce and softness that can complement both casual and more dressed-up looks. The pre-stretched feature is a real-time saver and reduces the bulk at the roots, giving your braids a natural finish. In summary, the Amir Hair 8-pack French curly braiding hair offers a versatile and user-friendly option for anyone who loves braiding styles. From the natural-looking curls to the manageable texture and the thoughtful addition of a spray bottle, it's designed to make your braiding experience easier and your styles more beautiful. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.